Now, I'm so excited and energized to cover one of the most powerful energy centers in the entire human design body graph, a defined sacral. How would you fill in your products and services with value with the defined sacral? And as always, let's have a look at the natural strength first. So here, the most prominent thing I'd like to mention first is that sustainable access to the most powerful energy on this planet, the life force energy, the energy of creation, the energy to build something new, that vitality and enthusiasm to wake up in the morning and create something and do the work. So I'd say to everyone with a defined sacral that you guys got a very valuable asset. And with every asset, there is a level of responsibility. And that responsibility comes down to how you use or maybe misuse this powerful life force energy. And I want you to become aware of the fact that the happiness, the joy, the excitement of other people around you, your clients in the context of business, primarily depends on how you are using that life force energy. Now, what does it mean to use or misuse life force? Well, first of all, let's mention what is the language of the defined sacral. And that language is that sacral sound, that yes, no, or I'm not sure, that or sound. So this is your second throat. Your sacral can communicate, and it will communicate in different ways depending on how your sacral is connected through a channel with other energy centers. And you want to make sure that first of all, you hear those sacral sounds, and second, you follow them. You do not ignore them. You do not let your mind be louder than your sacral. This is absolutely important, because if you follow that positive sacral response, most likely it will lead you to the right people, the right opportunities, and the right projects. Meaning you will be doing things that brings you joy and satisfaction. But if you, for example, listen to your mind, listen to your ego, or follow that energy of the open energy center, which is your not self theme, and you completely ignore the energy of your sacral, most likely you will end up doing work that brings you disappointment, that burns you down, and the type of work that you are not excited about, that makes you feel lazy and procrastinating. And I can't even tell you how many times I've seen people with a defined sacral who are saying that, oh, this is not about me. I'm the biggest procrastinator in the world. I'm so lazy. Most likely, this is due to the fact they're misusing their life force energy. They don't follow their sacral response, and this is the end result of that. So I want to encourage you to pay attention to your sacral sounds. First, I want you to understand what are those sounds, how do you feel them, how do you experience them, and obviously to make sure that you trust them and act accordingly. All right, so provided you use your life force energy and your defined sacral correctly, what would be an innate strength? So that will be that increased level of productivity when you're so passionate and so excited about the work that you will be doing that you are losing the track of time. You accomplish so many things, you feel so productive and so proud of yourself. That will be your strength. That increased level of perseverance to work long hours, that physical endurance, when you can work for 10 hours straight, this will be that increased focus, that increased stamina, and again, enthusiasm to work up in the morning and be excited about the work that you do. You'll be charging the people all around you with that contagious energy, with that energy to work, with that energy to create. That will be very exciting and very tasty, so to say, to observe someone who loves what they do. Now, something that is important to mention in terms of your strength and other assets, this is that response mechanism that are briefly mentioned. So your sacral responds to life. It speaks, right? It's very sensitive to the external circumstances, to the things that are happening around you. And your sacral, when it speaks, it responds to the right people, the right opportunities, the right projects, and it attracts, due to your aura, the right type of work, the right type of projects, the right type of opportunities into your life. So this is, I'd say, a big asset for everyone with a defined sacral, because you shouldn't even worry where clients will come from, right? Where those opportunities will come from, because provided you are following those sacral responses, you're honoring them and you're not letting your mind be louder than your sacral, this is when that natural attraction mechanism will work in your favor and in the favor of your business. Now, what does it mean to have a defined sacral for your product? Well, first of all, you want to make sure that your products and services are the source of creativity. You want to make sure that you're selling something that you're passionate about, something that changes the energy in your blood when you're doing that. Your audience, make sure they see how passionate you are about your work. Make sure they see that enthusiasm, because your products and services should be filled with joy, with the satisfaction, and with passion. Also, your products and services will provide energetic resources to other people to work in a sustainable way. Your products and services will help other people to be more productive. Now, what are those energetic resources? This can be that stamina, that focus, concentration, perseverance, physical endurance. If you look at the different channels that connect your sacral with other energy centers, so let's, for example, have a look at the identity and sacral, then your products and services will be helping to apply those resources in the right direction. So, for example, you have someone with a defined identity and they don't have a defined sacral. Basically, it's open. So they will be lacking those energetic resources. They might not know which direction they should be moving, but they simply don't have energy to move towards the direction. And your product or service will be giving them all the resources. Sacral is connected to your solar plexus, 59.6. So your product will provide that emotional depth and intimacy in relationships. So it's really good to provide some sort of customer care support, where you are building those intimate connections with people, that deep emotional intimacy. When your product provides that feeling that we are so close, I understand you better than you understand yourself. This is the type of energy that your products and services will provide. Also, if your sacral is linked to the root, your products will give that sense of endurance, that they'll provide this resilience to respond to stressful situations, to various external pressures, and you will be giving people that balanced approach to work, that stress-free approach. You will be providing those resources that will help people to cope with stress and with various external pressures. Basically, balanced work. That's what your product provides to people. The channel of preservation. This is when your sacral is linked to the spleen, 2750. The channel of values. You want to make sure that you support certain values and you talk about those values. So this is what will help your product stand out. And the channel of charisma, this is the channel 2034, when your sacral is linked to the throat center, which is, I would say, the most powerful probably channel in the body graph when we talk about our sacral, because this is that pure energy of action. The call to action of your product should probably be do it now. This is that energy of doing work right now, in the present moment. Don't wait, don't plan, just do it now. Just respond to life, be a little bit spontaneous, and make sure that you are not just doing work for the sake of doing, you are responding to the right things, to the right opportunities, to the right people, and this will give you joy and satisfaction. So this is this pure sacral energy of pure power and pure action. So I think the strength of your product here will be to knowing how to use that natural attracting mechanism and convert it into a powerful action that gives people a powerful result. But yes, pure action, this is what your product provides to your clients. So with the defined sacral, you'll monetize that passionate work, you will monetize this efficiency and creativity, those powerful, energetic resources. All right. So now let's have a look at a great example of someone who has a defined sacral, and in this case it's Oprah Winfrey, who is a talk show host, television producer, an actress, and an author. So I don't know how many books she has written, but definitely her products are a source of creativity, including her Oprah Winfrey show. So if you look at her body graph, you'll see that she has the channel of discovery. This is when her sacral is linked to the identity center and the channel of power. So when the spleen is connected to the sacral, she also have, who is Oprah? Well, she's definitely passionate about the work. She helps to uncover and discover new talents. She fuels passion, excitement into life of a lot of people. I've read this book by Eckhart Tolle, The Power of Now, and Oprah was the person, by the way, who discovered this huge talent, right? And using this powerful channel that she has here. And it's really interesting to see what she has been saying about her life's work, about her life journey. What I know is that if you do work that you love and the work fulfills you, the rest will come. So it represents her chart and the fact that she's living in alignment with her design, because she's not worried about money. And she always says that money is not that important. What is important is to be passionate and excited about your work. The rest will come. So you see how she is perfectly living her design, and that's why probably she is so successful. Passion is energy. Feel the power that comes from focusing on what excites you. So do you remember when we talked about that increased focus, that increased concentration, determination, and that sustainable work? So she speaks about focus a lot, and she links this to that feel the power that comes from focusing on the right work. So passion, satisfaction, excitement, focus, talks about this so much. This is what is mentioned in her books, and she speaks about this in her shows as well. Basically, transmitting that energy of her defined energy centers all around. As you become more clear about who you really are, you'll be better able to decide what is best for you. So the reason why she's saying becoming more clear about who you are, because she has a defined identity, right? That is linked to her defined sacral. So it's absolutely important to have those two components for her to understand who I am. And when you know who you are, then you'll be able to find the right work. So probably the person with a defined identity and a defined sacral will say this, because it describes this energy in such a perfect way in this case. If you would like to start or scale a business or career in alignment with your human design, your life purpose, and natural strength, I invite you to book your personalized and hyper-customized human design business blueprint, a super detailed audit of your chart and roadmap for your career and business success. Designed for entrepreneurs, business owners, coaches, influencers, content creators, and those navigating a career transition, this blueprint will help you monetize your natural gifts, choose and build a sustainable business or career around things that bring you fulfillment, clarity, and confidence. You will uncover your most monetizable strength, aligned niches, the problems you are uniquely positioned to solve, how to build an authentic personal brand, create a magnetic offer, choose sustainable marketing strategies, and work in a way that honors your unique design, all based on your individual chart so you can step into your full potential. Click the link in the description box below to explore the Human Design Business Blueprint. I'd love to help you unlock your unique path to success.